Worth it ba isang gasoline station business? At ilang years kaya ang ROI ng isang gasoline station business? Well, in this video, let's find out. Hi, my name is Climar and I am an owner of a small gasoline station business located in Bohol. So, I have prepared an Excel file where we can test kung magkano ba yung profit ng isang gasoline station business. So, in this Excel file, makikita nyo ang sales in liters in 1 day at yung profit per liter in 1 day. Profit per liter. Sorry. So, in average, for us, what we experience is, in average, meron lang talaga 4 peso profit per liter or yun yung binibigay na discount ng mga supplier namin. So, in average, 4 pesos lang talaga. And also listed here are the expenses na nai-incur namin. I will just discuss yung mga important things, especially dito sa expenses list. So salaries, this is very self-explanatory. We have 1 employee and yung rate na ginamit ko is yung minimum rate sa Bohol. So research nyo lang kung ano yung minimum wage rate nyo dyan sa lugar nyo. And automatic, meron na yung computation for monthly and yearly. Actually, this Excel file is available for your download kung gusto nyo gamitin. This is totally free. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba para kung saan nyo i-download yung profitability test Excel na to. So, just a note, lahat ng naka-blue is yan yung mga items na kailangan yung i-input. And lahat ng naka-yellow, yan yung mga items na naka-formula, so hindi nyo na kailangan i-change yan. So, going back, sa SSS, yung SSS amount, makukuha nyo to dito sa table. So, nagbe-base yan dito sa monthly amount na to. So, for us, 16,200. Pag tinignan nyo sa table, 16,200. So, ito yun. So, yung total amount na kailangan yung bayaran for the SSS contribution is 2,505. So, yan yung nilagay ko dito. And for the rest, sa PhilHealth Pag-ibig, naka-formula na yan, guys. For the electricity, yung monthly electricity namin is 2,000. Yung monthly water is 1,000. Again, this is not the exact amount, but the average amount. For maintenance, this is actually 1,500 per 3 months. So, nagiging 500 na lang for 1 month. So, yan yung amount. For percentage tax, naka-formula na rin yan. Naka-base yan sa monthly amount of sales in peso nyo. So, business permit for us, yung business permit is 30,000 a year. So, in a monthly basis, 2,500 in a monthly basis. Property tax is 15,000 a year. Sakit. So, in a monthly basis is 1,250. So, total expenses in this scenario is 300,000 plus on a yearly basis and monthly is 28,000 plus. So, makikita nyo dito na yung monthly income is 1,854. Now, going to the question kung worth it ba isang gasoline station business. In this scenario, in this for us, I could really say na medyo hindi talaga siya worth it. Why? If we look at the initial capital, let's just say na yung initial capital is 1 million pesos. And if you are curious kung magkano ba yung actual na capital ng isang gasoline station business, meron akong video dyan sa baba na diniscuss ko kung ano yung mga cost items and magkano yung each cost items na yun and total amount and an estimated amount kung gusto nyo mag-start ng isang gasoline station business sa 2026. So, nasa description below. In this scenario, guys, mababalik yung 1 million mo sa'yo in 36 years. So, di ba? In this scenario, hindi siya talaga worth it. And if you just invest the 1 million peso sa MP2, meron kang yearly return of 60,000 pesos compared it to your yearly return of 22 pesos. Again, this is just an estimate, but there is also a big opportunity when it comes to gasoline station business. Why? Kasi, let's just say na yung gross sales mo is times 2 ng average na to. So, 500 liters per day yung sales in liters mo daily. So, you can see na talagang malaki yung impact ng number of sales. Essentially, yan talaga yung pinakamalaking impact sa net profit mo or net income mo. So, again, when we say worth it ba, it will definitely base on the demand sa area nyo. So, I think that would be all. Again, guys, this Excel will be available for your download. Nasa description yung link. And I hope I was able to give you an insight kung magkano ba yung estimated na income or kung worth it ba ang isang gasoline station business. So, if you like this video, pa-like na lang and pa-subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.